Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alma, and if you're new, welcome. This is the look I came up with today. I hope you guys like it. If you do, stay tuned and watch the rest of my video. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on TikTok, Instagram. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys like this look. I love the way it came out. I'm still like shocked because this is the way I envisioned it. I was just a little scared, but it came out really good. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Enjoy my video. Hello and welcome to another video. And today I'm shiny because it's hot, and I'm not just hot, but the foundation that I'm using today is the Wet n Wild Dewy Finish. So I think that's why. But you know what? I put some of this powder on my forehead and it totally mattified it. So we'll do that at the end. We'll worry about the shininess at the end. I'm not even worried about it right now. So yeah, I already primed my face with my favorite primer by Wet n Wild right now. And then I put obviously my foundation, this one by Wet n Wild. I prepped my lids already and I use the Incognito by Wet n Wild. It's all day coverage concealer and medium neutral. I set my lids with this powder. And I did my brows with my Maybelline pencil, and let's get started. Today I'm gonna be using the Revolution palette, this one right here, because I wanted to do a fall makeup. I can't wait for fall now. It's so hot. This summer has been really brutal, so I want to gravitate to the fall right now, and I'm thinking of using like the green, orange, the brown. We'll see how it comes out. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna go in with, most of the brushes I use are from Real Techniques. So here's my fluffy brush, my Crease Essential brush by Real Techniques. I'm gonna start off with this tan nude color, if you will. It's tan color, and put it on my crease. That would be my transition color. It's kind of not showing. It's kind of showing. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. Yes, baby. Here's the color right here. It shows. Damn, oily. Now I'm gonna go in with, what a hard decision. I'm gonna go in with this darker tone right here. It looks like a burnt orange. And I'm gonna put that on my outer corner and work it into my crease just to deepen the darken. Sorry. I'm all over the place right now. Just thinking about Lily sitting here next to me right now. Just to darken it a little bit more. So same brush, and I'm gonna grab this green right here. Hi baby, and I'm gonna put it on my lid, part of my lid, and on the outer corner a little bit. I ended up powdering my face. It was looking too shiny. So there it is. I brought it up to almost close to my brow. I covered most of my crease, almost most of my crease, with my green color here. And now I'm gonna go in with, do this brown. I keep staring at this brown, so let's go in. And I'm getting the skinny brush. This one's by Morphe M519. It's darker brown here. And I'm gonna use that a little bit on my outer corner here. Okay, so this is what I got so far. I'm gonna get my smudge brush from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna get the two tan colors, this one and this one. And I'm gonna place some underneath on the bottom lash line. Okay, so there you are. See, I put it on both my eyes. And now I'm gonna get the dark brown color, and I'm gonna use that in the same area but closer to my lashes. Okay, so there we have it so far. I pulled the green in a little bit more, and yeah, it looks really good. I actually like the way this is coming out. I'm really happy about it. And now I'm gonna get, I swear it's so hard because all the colors are really beautiful. See? What if I get this yellow, or maybe this one, or like mix them? I'm gonna get the one in the corner here. I'm gonna get my little flat shader brush by Real Techniques, and I'm gonna place that color in the center of my eyes. Right in the center. This palette has beautiful colors, but I feel like some colors are not really, it's not really coming out. It's not really showing up. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it with the other lighter, brighter yellow. Let's see how that goes. Okay, it kind of brought it out a little bit. Okay, so the setting spray I ended up pulling out. It's by Urban Decay. Making sure my spray is pointing correctly. Let's see if this helps bring out the color more. It kind of did help. Let me try on the other eye. What do you guys think? I think it's a nice color. This is kind of reminding me of Poison Ivy for some reason, the colors. It's like green and the deep browns and all that. But it looks good. It's coming out really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on some lashes and I'll be right back. And some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on and let's move on. So now I'm gonna get the concealer again, the Mega Last Incognito. And I'm gonna do my bottom, the bottom of my eyes, little triangle, and I'm gonna pull that out up to my temples. I'm gonna get this Complexion Duo by e.l.f. and spread out my concealer. Looks kind of scary. this, wait, I'm getting the wrong thing. I'm gonna get this powder and I'm gonna set my under eyes, and everywhere where I put concealer, I'm gonna set it with this. So right there. This powder is really good. Watch, shiny, and then all of a sudden it's gone. Shiny and gone. And there it is. Put some on my cheeks, my face. I have oily skin, so it's gonna seep through. And I'm so used to it, you know, so. And now I'm gonna get my contour palette by e.l.f. And I'm gonna use my contour brush by Real Techniques, and I will contour my face with it. Now I'm gonna get my blush, and this one's by Wet n Wild also, and it's called Mellow Wine. I'm gonna get a brush. This one is by Real Techniques, and place it lightly on my cheeks. I think I put too much. I'm telling you, I go overboard with the contouring. Ay, ay, ay. Now I'm gonna get this. Now we're gonna move on with the lips. I'm gonna remove the gloss I have on right now. The gloss that I was using is from LA Colors. It's a lip oil. It's this one. Okay, so now, before I forget, the lashes that I used right now are the Kiss lashes, the foaming, and it's the little black dress. This lip pencil is called Willow, and it's by Wet n Wild. Maybe I should try a darker one, because the color I'm going to use today is a little on the nude side. Yeah. Okay, this one's Chestnut by MAC. Let's see how this goes. So the lip mousse that I'm gonna use today is by Wet n Wild. It's the Cloud Pout, and I'm gonna use that in the center. Let's see how it goes with this eye makeup. Here's the applicator. The color to this is called Cloud Chaser. Smells. This one reminds me of like s'mores. I'm wiping it on my little facial tissue. Ooh, it comes out matte. It's like moussey matte on the matte side. It looks really cool though. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get my lip brush. This one's by Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna blend in the liner into the lipstick. Wow. Yeah, it reminds me of like, yeah, marshmallow. It says marshmallow. It's just very like candy. I have another one. I have another video where I did a look and then I used one of these, but it was the red one. It reminded me of cupcakes and like sweets and lollipops. This one, it smells like marshmallows. It smells like s'mores straight up. And yeah, this is how it looks. And I used the Makeup Revolution on my eyes. And oh my god, I love the way this look came out. Oh my god, I pulled it off. This is kind of how I envisioned it. I'm trying to manifest fall because I'm over this heat. I love summer, but this heat is intense. It's no joke. And yes, so let's set our makeup. We're pretty much done. I'm just gonna set it with my Milani Make It Last spray. Ooh, wow, oh my god. This is a look I normally don't go for, you know, but I don't know. I was just like, fall. Like, I want fall to be here. I want Halloween. I want pumpkin spice. I want it all, you know, the pumpkins and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys liked my look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you will be notified when my next video comes up. Also follow me on TikTok. I post every day. And follow me on Instagram. And thank you so much. All the information is going to be on the bottom. Thank you so much. Have a great day.